Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things tech, money, and productivity. Today, we'll be diving into the world of mobile apps and discussing the 10 best apps to make quick money from your smartphone. In today's world, smartphones have become an integral part of our lives, making communication, entertainment, and even work easier than ever before. But did you know that your smartphone can also be a powerful tool for making some extra cash? With the rise of the gig economy and the proliferation of apps that offer flexible work opportunities, it's never been easier to earn money on the go. Whether you're a student looking to make some extra cash, a stay-at-home parent looking to earn money from home, or simply someone who wants to earn some extra income, there are a wide variety of apps that you can use to make money using just your smartphone. From taking surveys and completing tasks to delivering food and renting out your spare room, there are apps out there that can help you earn money in your spare time. But with so many apps to choose from, it can be difficult to know which ones are worth your time and which ones aren't. That's where we come in. In this video, we'll be sharing our top 10 apps for making quick money from your smartphone. These are apps that we tested and found to be reliable, easy to use, and most importantly, effective at helping you earn some extra cash. We'll be covering a wide range of apps that are suitable for a variety of different people and interests, including apps for taking surveys, selling unused items, delivering food, and more. We'll give you an overview of each app, including how it works, how much you can expect to earn, and any pros and cons to consider. But that's not all. We'll also be sharing some bonus tips to help you maximize your earnings using these apps. These are strategies that we found to be effective for earning more money, and we're confident that they'll work for you too. So if you're ready to start earning some extra cash using just your smartphone, then you've come to the right place. Grab your smartphone, download these apps, and get ready to start earning some extra cash. Let's get started. 1. Swagbucks. The first app on our list is Swagbucks, an app that pays you to complete surveys, watch videos, and play games. You can even earn cash back while shopping online. Swagbucks has been around for over a decade and has paid out over $400 million to its users. The best part? You can cash out your earnings with gift cards or PayPal credit. So if you're looking for a fun and easy way to earn some extra money, Swagbucks is worth checking out. 2. 𝐭𝐡. The second app on our list is 𝐭𝐡, an app that lets you sell your photos online. If you're someone who loves taking photos and has a good eye for detail, 𝐭𝐡 is the perfect app for you. You can earn money by simply clicking some beautiful photos with your phone camera. Once you upload your photos, they become available for purchase by companies and brands around the world. The best part? You can earn up to $5 per photo sold. So if you're looking to monetize your passion for photography, 𝐭𝐡 is worth a try. 3. Uber Eats. The third app on our list is Uber Eats, a food delivery app that's perfect for anyone looking to earn some extra cash on the side. With Uber Eats, you can pick up food orders and deliver them to people in your area. All you need is a car or bike, a smartphone, and a few spare hours in your day. The best part? You can choose your hours and work as much or as little as you want. So if you're someone who loves driving and meeting new people, Uber Eats is worth checking out. 4. TaskRabbit. The fourth app on our list is TaskRabbit, an app that connects you with people in your area who need help with various tasks, from moving to cleaning. You can set your rates and work when you want. The best part? You get paid directly through the app, so you don't have to worry about handling cash or dealing with payments. If you're someone who's good with their hands and loves helping people, TaskRabbit is worth a try. 5. 𝐦𝐨𝐬. The fifth app on our list is 𝐦𝐨𝐬, an app that pays you to take surveys on a variety of topics, from politics to consumer products. You can cash out your earnings with gift cards or PayPal credit. The best part? 𝐦𝐨𝐬 sends you survey invitations based on your location and interests, so you're always taking surveys that are relevant to you. If you're someone who loves giving their opinion and wants to earn some extra cash, 𝐦𝐨𝐬 is worth checking out. 6. 𝐸𝐤𝐶oin. The sixth app on our list is 𝐸𝐤𝐶oin, an app that pays you for walking or running outside. The more you move, the more you earn. You can exchange your earnings for rewards or PayPal cash. The best part? 𝐸𝐤𝐶oin uses your phone's GPS to track your steps, so you don't need any additional equipment. If you're someone who loves staying active and wants to earn some extra cash, 𝐦𝐤𝐞 is worth a try. 7. User testing. The 7th app on our list is user testing, an app that pays you to test websites and apps. You'll be asked to complete various tasks and provide feedback on your experience. You can earn up to $60 per test, and each test takes around 20 minutes to complete. The best part? You don't need any special skills or experience to become a tester. If you're someone who enjoys trying out new websites and apps and wants to earn some extra cash, user testing is worth checking out. 8. Rover. The 8th app on our list is Rover, an app that connects you with pet owners in your area who need someone to take care of their pets while they're away. You can set your rates and work when you want. The best part? You get to spend time with furry friends and get paid for it. If you're someone who loves animals and wants to earn some extra cash, Rover is worth a try. Poshmark. The 9th app on our list is Poshmark, an app that lets you sell your clothes and accessories online. You can list your items for sale and connect with buyers around the world. The best part? You can set your prices and keep 80% of the sale price. If you're someone who loves fashion and wants to earn some extra cash, Poshmark is worth checking out. Airbnb. The final app on our list is Airbnb, a vacation rental app that lets you rent out your spare room or entire home to travelers. You can set your rates and availability, and Airbnb handles all the payments and communication with guests. The best part? You can earn a significant amount of money by renting out your space, especially if you live in a popular tourist destination. If you're someone who loves meeting new people and wants to earn some extra cash, Airbnb is worth a try. Now, before we wrap up, let me give you a few bonus tips to help you make even more money with these apps. Firstly, don't forget to take advantage of referral programs. Many of these apps offer referral bonuses, which means you can earn extra money by inviting your friends to join. Secondly, consistency is key. To make the most money from these apps, it's important to be consistent and active. Try to complete tasks and surveys regularly to increase your earnings. Thirdly, keep an eye out for bonuses. Some of these apps offer bonuses for completing certain tasks or achieving certain milestones. Make sure to check for these bonuses and take advantage of them to earn even more money. Fourthly, try out multiple apps. While each of these apps can help you earn money, trying out multiple apps can help you maximize your earnings. Experiment with different apps to find the ones that work best for you. And finally, it's important to be honest and provide accurate feedback when using these apps. This will not only help you earn more money, but it will also ensure that the app developers receive valuable feedback to improve their products and services. There you have it, our top 10 apps for making quick money from your smartphone. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side or trying to make a full-time income, there's an app out there for you. From taking surveys and selling your photos to delivering food and renting out your space, these apps offer a variety of ways to make money from your phone. So what are you waiting for? Download these apps and start earning today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.